Hi guys, what's up? It's Skiller85 back with another unboxing, and this time it's for the Dark Pictures Anthology, Man of Medan. So, yeah, really looking forward to playing this. It's a horror, and it's made by the guys who made Until Dawn, which isn't a bad thing, because Until Dawn was really, really good. So, yeah, this guy here looks like he's seen some stuff. So, yeah, obviously there's the front. It's part of from what I understand, it's part of, obviously, being part of an anthology. I think they're releasing the games biannually, but we don't know when yet. So this one's released this year. I would imagine the other ones were released like yearly, maybe? I don't know. But I know there's at least two more, so with different stories. So, from the developers of Until Dawn, you're about to embark on a troublesome journey. And it says all that. Don't play alone. So, with the, obviously they say you can play with a friend online. I'm actually doing this with one of my best friends online. Well, one of my best friends. Gonna play through it together, so that's cool. In-store size is up to 35 gig. And then it's all that usual stuff. Inside we have a code, and if anybody wants that, they can have it. So it's just for some points, but apart from that, we've just got the disc. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of the Dark Pictures Anthology, Man of Medan on the Xbox One. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos, but for now guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.